That's our show. Hi, we're Boom Crunch, and tonight I'm Captain Crunch. Woo! All we need to get started is a word.
Yahtzee.
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 I feel like we're gambling with their lives.
Yes, and it feels so good.
You're right. I mean, bringing our kids with us to the Grand Canyon, it just...
Go on.
I want them to see the canyon.
As do I. Of course I want them to see the canyon, but not without learning a lesson or two along the way.
You can't just keep reliving that magical honeymoon where we were the sole survivors.
Oh, but that swarm of bees made me feel alive! Alive! I want to chase that feeling again.
My limbs still tingle. But it's not fair to the children.
Look, they're going to have to grow up at some point. We can't be holding their hands the whole time.
Well, I remember my own parents, and I felt uncomfortable when they displayed their sexuality so openly around me. And I feel like if we're going to be with each other and with the bees in the canyon, it could just be uncomfortable for them. You know, they're of the age where they're not quite sure what men, women, or two men or two women, or sort of any coupling of adults are supposed to do together.
Tell me, does anyone ever become a better person by being comfortable?
Can we get out of the car, please?
No. You see, don't you see? We must make them miserable.
I guess it makes a certain amount of sense. They brought us together.
We're miserable now? Can we get out of the car?
And it's important for the children to bond. What's this over here? I think it's looking like an early Christmas morning.
Children, could you roll down the window, please? Thank you.
I have a gift for you. Please roll the window up.
You know they said that they wanted to spend more time with us, but...
Stop talking, the bees will fly into your mouth.
Are you learning valuable life lessons?
Yes.
Communication.
Oh, get them.
This is, you know what? I feel guilty. We should get in the car. We should. Ah! Oh, shit!
Oh, I love you so
I love
much.
you too.
I don't know. I just thought I had the perfect outfit laid out for sorority rush, but I'm like pretty sure I'm overthinking it. But now I'm pretty sure it's the worst outfit I've ever picked out.
No, they're very, very clear about what they want, okay? It says here that on day 3, you have to be casual, but cool, but not pretentious about it.
Yeah. I don't know.
What were you thinking? The shoes? Were you going to wear the tennis shoes?
Yeah, I was gonna wear those tennis shoes.
They're too light. They look like they've never been used. You gotta scuff them up. Okay?
I threw them in the quad.
Yeah. Okay, should I go get them, or are we gonna just not forget about the shoes? Let's just forget about
We
the shoes.
got a different shoe. Okay. I have my
The clogs.
my clogs.
Your Birkenstock
My
clogs.
Birkenstock clogs.
Yeah. I don't think you can do a clog.
What?
No, I just don't think you can pull off a clog. A clog, you have to be more comfortable in your skin, and I'm sorry, Sarah, you're just not very comfortable in your skin. Just be honest, okay?
Are you kidding me right now, Bethany?
Look,
Are you kidding about the rule? Is kid?
Sarah, do you want to be a Kappa Kappa Fifi or not?
Kappa Fifi.
Okay, well, if you want to be Kappa Kappa Fifi, shows how comfortable you are in your skin. And I don't think that you would feel comfortable being comfortable in your skin if you were wearing Birkenstock mules. Cloth. Look, if you want to wear them, you can do whatever you want.
I know what this is about. You're jealous. You're jealous. Because you've been in the sorority for one whole semester, and I'm doing a second semester rush, and you're afraid once I join, that you're not gonna be like the cool new pledge anymore. It's gonna be me.
Well,
And yes, maybe I don't look good in Birkenstock mules because I have weird calves. And
I didn't say you had weird tabs.
well, I'm just reading between the lines, but I know what this is really about. If you're afraid of me, why don't you just tell me?
I'm afraid.
Honey!
I'm afraid, Sarah, I'm afraid that if you get Kappa Kappa Fifi, you're gonna be like the hot pledge of the week, and you're gonna get so many new friends, and you're not gonna want to hang out with me or roommate anymore. Because I have to tell you, I'm not really very popular with the other Kappa Kappa Fifi sisters.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
They said my shoes were too white.
So, roll a 20-sided die for damage.
Bill. You say that like I haven't come prepared.
Roll a 20-sided die. I don't care how big it is.
I swing my longsword.
Huh, 11. You're mutilated by the guy whose girlfriend you stole.
I'd like to use my orb of forgiveness.
Roll a 6-sided die.
Tink.
Huh. A 0. What's that even a 0 open? No one forgives you. Certainly not the guy whose girlfriend you stole.
I'd like to make an abject sorrow / lifelong friendship check based on my newly reduced charisma score.
I think that requires a 12-sided die.
It's fuzzy dice.
The spell backfires on you, and you lose your best friend, probably forever.
My barbarian falls to his knees and prays to his barbarian god for a moment of atonement for the sins he has committed without thinking about the repercussions.
That's a 4-sided die.
Is it weird that we killed him? It's awkward.
It's only awkward if you make it awkward.
Yeah.
You just act normal, right? You don't have to make it all weird.
Well, it's like it's his house. It feels weird that we come over and you just kill it.
I think
That
it's
wasn't the plan, okay? We were gonna make
Hummus.
hummus.
To be fair, that's the weird part, right? That you break into someone's house to make hummus.
It's not that weird, okay? We don't have a food processor. And Steve was like,
Oh, you know what would be good right now? Hummus.
We didn't even have the beans to start with. We had to break into a separate home before this.
I'm gonna take a stand here.
Yeah.
Y'all suck.
human.
Yeah.
And now we're the ones who suck, Steve.
Yeah, y'all suck because you're calling out things that aren't weird and you're making me feel bad about myself. And then I go want to fix this.
My name's Steve.
Shut up! Shut up! There's nothing wrong about wanting hummus. It's someone else's house. Stop it! Yeah, doesn't make me a murderer. It just means I killed a guy.
I'm not a murderer. I just killed a guy.
It's not weird.
It was a little rough, you guys.
It was a little awkward, but it's not awkward unless you make it awkward. Chris! Okay, nothing turns me on more than getting really, really cozy. Okay, so let's get on the fuzzy bathrobes.
Cool.
Oh my god. Oh, it matches your eyes. Okay, get it tighter. Not too tight. Okay. Oh, you look so good. Okay, and I got you like an old man, like a nightcap. I got you a nightcap to wear,
Oh.
so you're not cold. So you're comfortable.
Oh, right.
Yeah, okay. Does it feel good? Is it too tight on the tongue?
What?
Oh. Okay, I lifted it so you can hear me.
Oh, cool.
Okay. No need to wear pants. Okay, mine's pink. Do you like it? Do you like it, Chris?
Yeah.
Okay. I have a bonnet. Mrs. Claus bonnet. And matching bra. Okay. So I got rug.
You look like my grandma.
Oh, isn't it so hot? Okay. So we have snacks. Okay, here's your blanket. Okay, we have Cheetos. We have Cheez-Its. Baby, Chris!
What?
I made dinner. Will you look at it? Okay.
Oh, cool. It's got cheese on it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I represent your ex-wife. She wants your, or your soon-to-be ex-wife. She wants you to sign the divorce papers, please.
I forgot pen.
Dave, you know what gets me so hot?
Yeah.
This fucking game.
Cool.
I'm so nervous going up for tenure. Like, do you think these clogs work with this tweed jacket? Like, I feel like anthropology doesn't really take that many professors, and I feel like going up for tenure, I'm nervous.
I'm not worried about the clogs. I think you need a jacket with elbow patches.
I feel comfortable in this. I wear that every day.
No, elbow patches is so professorial, right? So is the word professorial. Put that in there. Make sure you keep that in the speech.
I feel like I should just go up and I should just give them a sample lecture of what I normally do, because I'm comfortable just talking about dentition, tooth structure, wear patterns.
If you're gonna do that,
That's my nicest tie. That was a completely untouched white tie. And you threw it out into the quad.
it was so if you really want to get tenure and be president of the ADA,
I should wear the tie that says cottage like an Animal House. I feel like you're trying to sabotage.
no.
I feel like I feel like you have tenure and you're threatened that somebody half your age is getting tenure.
Half my age!
It's gonna be fine. I'll get tenure, you'll have tenure, we'll hang out, we'll get lunch.
You'll get tenure over my apparently soon-to-be dead body. Thank you.
I screwed up and I'm sorry, but like I genuinely, it's gonna be fine. Me getting tenure doesn't take away from you getting tenure before me.
You're never going to be president of the ADA.
Significantly before me because you're old and I don't like you anymore. You're making me feel bad. It's so tight! It's so tight!
That's enough. Thank you. You've done your job. Hi, we're the ADA. He's been mic'd this entire time and heard the whole thing.
You're going downtown.
I'm a witch! In case that wasn't clear by my mouth.
Oh, dear, there. Oh God, I've never met a witch before. I don't know what to do in this kind of situation.
Roll a D8.
Faster!
Clunk.
I don't have all day.
You fall in love with the witch.
All right, so what do you want? You want to cross my...
I just want to be with you forever and always.
Well, I'm not interested.
These flowers for you.
Flowers?
Yes.
Flowers?
For you.
Get that away from me!
I'm really screwing up here. Maybe I should.
I'm a witch, see?
Let me get another guy.
Listen.
You confess something to her.
I'm a very busy witch.
I
What is it, little man? Human?
I don't know how to swim.
Creatures, you humans, wanting to cross my bridge because you don't know how to swim, is that it? You think you can confess your love to me? You think that you can hang out here and just absorb all of my powers when they're mine?
Maybe you can absorb each other's powers.
What powers do you have? Little green riding boots?
Your heart sustains 20 points of damage.
Oh, that was a deep cut.
Listen, I'm sorry for being so cruel. It's just...
It's okay, you're a witch.
Exactly. And I'm not used to people talking to me. Usually they just say, oh, it's a witch, where's your stool, where's
Wait.
your cauldron?
Perhaps I can help you. I want to sacrifice 20 heart points.
Bling, 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 bling.
My heart melts for you.
This hurts! My heart is melting! It is very painful!
And that's exactly how it went, Bill. Like, she said some mean stuff, and I said some mean stuff, and then we kind of made up, and then it just sort of got out of hand from there. And I feel like Nolan is super at fault, but I recognize that I probably, this particular barbarian probably shouldn't have.
Arrow!
Always my second choice.
No, Family Thanksgiving is about a risk tournament, not Clue. Risk.
Alright, Dad.
Do you guys hear what your father said? Risk in this house.
It is a family tradition. We do it every year.
Every year.
What? Like, it's hard not to.
We want to play Clue this year.
Yeah,
Yeah, there's more of us than there is.
that's true. There's 3.
Here, I've got the clue box right. No, it's Risk.
You guys, you went so far. You took the clue, you took all of the stuff out of the box, and you put all of the risk things back into the clue box.
Yeah, we get it. We get it.
Don't you have jobs?
Why do you insist on torturing us so?
I feel like you can only learn when you're really uncomfortable with the games your family are playing.
Yeah, you should be uncomfortable. That's what Thanksgiving is about. Thanksgiving is about not getting what you want. And you want to play Clue, and by God, you're gonna play fucking Risk! Duh!
I feel uncomfortable.
I'm really uncomfortable.
Oh, you did it! You did it! You guys want to play Uno?
No.
Hello, barbarian self. I feel like you're the last person I could talk to.
I feel like you're the only one who really gets me.
I'll attempt to press my hand against the mirror separating me and the barbarian. Do you have Wi-Fi over here?
It's great.
Really?
Yes.
That's
It's a fantasy world. Anything exists.
Okay.
Do you have mutton?
We're a vegetarian household.
That's fine.
Oh, hi. Would you like some hummus?
I would love hummus. It's not awkward! Don't look at me like that.
You could have just used the pita.
Oh, I see you're back to come hang out on my bridge. Is that so, barbarian?
Yeah? No, I thought.
Well, it's good bringing such a... I mean, it's... Thank goodness you're here. It's time to start digging...
Okay.
We're digging dirt with a shovel.
No, like a CrossFit thing?
Oh!
What is
I-
CrossFit out of
Oh God! The hummus! Make sure my doors are locked so my neighbors don't come in!
Oh my god, am I late to skit night? I'm not wearing the right outfit for skit night!
So the college tower,
Yeah.
like Animal House.
Yeah. I've seen that.
I had a similar tie. Belonged to my best friend.
Really?
Yeah.
What happened?
Oh, I murdered him.
Oh. Well, I've murdered too.
Was it awkward? Was it weird?
I didn't think so.
Right, I thought it was gonna be strange.
No, it's like you do it and it just kind of feels right.
And you're like a little hungry?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Finally someone gets it. And, I rolled with the crew and they just didn't understand.
I mean, you gotta do this kind of stuff alone,
Mhm.
right? If you wanna feel understanding, you need to give it to yourself.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm so glad you guys have been reading my self